One small word, many confusing meanings. Look at, look for, look after, look into. But after this video, you will use look phrasal verbs like a native. So in this video, we will know 10 extremely common phrasal verbs with look. So welcome back to my channel Upgrade English Pro. So let's start with number 1. Look at. Look at means to see or focus on. So let's understand by example. Look at the board. Look at this photo. Number 2. Look after means to take care of. So let's understand by example. He is looking after his kid. Number 3. Look into means to do investigation. Let's understand by example. The police are looking into the case. I will look into the problem. Number 4. Look up. Look up means to search or to improve. So let's understand by example. They are looking up the stars in the sky. Things are really finally looking up. Number 5. Look down on means to think someone is inferior. So let's understand by example. Do not look down on people. Number 6. Look up to means to admire or to give respect someone. Let's understand by example. I look up to my teacher. Number 7. Look around. Look around means to explore. Example. Let's look around the city. Number 8. Look back. Look back means to remember the past. Let's understand by example. When I look back, I feel proud. Number 9. Look forward to means to feel excited about future. Let's understand by example. I am looking forward to meeting you. So let's have a quick recap all the phrasal verb. Look at means see. Look for means search. Look after means take care. Look into means to do investigation or investigate. Look up means search or to improve. Look down on to think someone is inferior. Look up to means to search or improve. Look around means explore. Look back means to remember the past. Look forward to means feel excited about future. This was part 3 of one word, many meanings. Next video, we will come up with phrasal verbs with turn. For this, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.